everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have another swatch for you from Aimeili, and the color that I have here to swatch for you is 001. Now the reason I have these other polishes out here is because this is a coral color, and I was surprised that I not to have in my gel polish collection anything like this. I truly don't have any corals. I mean, I have some neons, I have some pretty oranges, and corals, you might find them that it's somewhat of a difficult color. I mean, some of them tend to have more like be more coral pinks, other more coral oranges. This one turns to, it's more towards the pink, okay? And you are looking at it here on my right hand. I am already wearing this color here, but I will show you, I will do some swatches so you can see how the application goes. But to tell you a little bit about the polish, so these bottles, Aimeili bottles, are 10 ml. That's pretty much a full-size bottle. Okay, and this formula is practically odorless. I do not smell anything coming out of the color of these bottles. Okay, so that's really good. Really good formula, not too thick, not too thin, and it applies really well without flooding my cuticles. Now the reason I have these other colors here is because I wanted you to give you some comparison in the colors. So, and I know this Sally Hansen brand is in the color, it's old and it's very popular. So I wanted you to see how it compares to, this is the Coral Reef from Sally Hansen Extreme, if you remember this color, and so there it is. Okay, so very close to that, although in real person, you're looking at it through the bottle, but in real person the Sally Hansen appears a little bit lighter. Okay, this one, I don't know if this is just another one that I had. This is actually a neon jelly, and the name of it is fluorescent. It's almost like fluorescent, but yeah, that's another similar color there in the Everglaze. And then this one, I know it's not a popular brand, is from Charming Charlie's. It's a store at the mall, what I call the Claire's for grown-ups, but the name of this is At Your Beck and Coral. And so there's how it compares to this one. Okay, that's why I pull these out, because I wanted you to have a comparison. This is not, it's not a pink, it's not orange, it is a coral. It's a very pretty cream coral. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the application, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here is the final result after applying top coat and curing it. Isn't it beautiful? A beautiful color, and check out the shine on that top coat. Yes, I went ahead and used Aimeili's base coat and top coat to apply this, so you can see how nice and smooth that went. And yes, I will say that this color, it cured really well in 30 seconds under my LED lamp, so you might need a minute if you have a UV lamp. And look at that. I'm very happy with this brand, guys. I do recommend it. I will have the links down in the description bar below. They do have their own website, as well as they are on Amazon. So if you have Amazon Prime, you want free shipping and want to take advantage of maybe some Amazon card rewards, I will have that link down in the description bar below as well. So if you guys have questions about these polishes, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I'd like to thank Aimeili for sending me this beautiful color to play with and review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.